When you're doing laundry in life, you tend to get bored. Plain facts in life. I realized something when I was doing it. There must be something I could do with this footage. So here I bring to you just one life hack for doing laundry.
Working in the kitchen with an overview.
As I lived in Belize, there was nothing but time on my hands. As I progressed through life, or in my trade, I understood the traditions of my mom's side of the family. I gained a lot of knowledge living in a third world country. I understood better, I understood how it felt to live in a corrupt society, and I understood what it meant waking up early in the morning just to get to work.
Oh God. Oh God.
As I lost my main source of clean clothes, I developed a sincere and different understanding of everything children take for granted when living in the United States of America. Being able to have a working washing machine is a privilege instead of having to wash your own clothes. Own clothes with your own hands. Oh my god. Like, life was terrible in Belize. So as you go to sleep tonight, think about your clothes and how clean and dry they are. Mine were drenched in a house flood back in like 2020. Take the time at night to take your clothes and set out an outfit that you want to wear for tomorrow. This will help you schedule your life better and be more prepared in the mornings when you get up. My name is Kyle Tuning, and this is just one life hack for scheduling your life. Thank you for watching.